Hi, this is Nick here. Welcome to the third tutorial of Spritato. In this tutorial, we will be exploring the skin setting. I have updated the previous PSD file to contain both the original green color frog from tutorial 1 and the colorful frog from tutorial 2. Let's load this up and get started. The last time I saved this project, I already toggled the skin setting on both the original and the variation skin folders. You can also toggle it easily by pressing the R button or from the UI. It is also possible to do it in the old way by adding a skin tag to the name of the layer. When a layer is selected, the skin panel on the right will show the skin status of this particular layer. A minus means that a skin is not inherit starting from this layer down to the children. A plus means that a skin is added to this layer and its children. In this tutorial, I would like to set the eye image to be shared between the two skins. After selecting a child layer, you will see that the plus sign is changed to a tick. That means this skin is inherited from a parent layer. This is the eye image I would like to share. To share it with another skin, just click on the checkbox of that skin. On the variation skin, we no longer need that version of eye, so we can just remove it from export. The project is now ready to export. Let's check out the result. There is no eye image in this skin folder because we are borrowing it from the other skin. We can now do a new project import in Spine and see if it works or not. It works. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.